I don't wanna collab, no, unless I hit you up.
Alrighty, so hi friends. I'm recording this for like the third time, so hopefully I can get through it pretty fluidly. But I want to talk to you guys about something, and it's nothing dramatic. I'm not going nowhere. Nothing's wrong. I ain't have no baby. I ain't trying to. No, okay, we're good. All right. I just wanted to have like a little heart to heart in terms of like my content and some things that I'm feeling and some ideas that I have. And over the last 8 or 9 years that I've been on this platform, I have not like genuinely ever solicited like thoughts and opinion as it pertains to like my content. But I have some things that I'm wanting to do, well, that I'm going to do, and feedback would be very, I think, beneficial. So I'm kind of beating around the bush, but I have a habit of creating disclaimers to make myself feel better about voicing my opinion or saying things that I want to say. So I'm challenging myself not to make any disclaimers and to just speak, like just talk, say what you got to say and say it with your chest. Okay. So as I mentioned, I have been on YouTube for probably going on 9 years at this point. And for years and years and years, my content has been about natural hair, and that is my love. That is my heart. I still love my hair. As you guys know, I recently locked my hair. So honestly, there's only so much I can do at this point until we've gotten some length and some maturity in the locks. And earlier in the year, I did discuss with you guys some of the changes that I was planning on making with my content, one of them being monthly vlogs. So I did December, and that's all y'all have seen. I did film my January vlog, and I was about to start editing it. It's March now, but we ain't gonna talk about that. And I realized that I erased all of the footage, and that especially sucks because that is the same month that I started my locks. So I was going to upload that and then add kind of this conversation to the front end of it. I filmed some of February. I'm not going to post that. I have not filmed anything now that we are in March. And the reason is because I'm really struggling internally with, number one, my social media and my content in terms of substance. I am a woman of substance. I don't really like surface level anything. I like it deep. That was not meant to sound the way that it sounded, but I like to dive deep. I want to like get down in the trenches with it. That's just my personality. I am a true Scorpio. And as much as I love consuming vlogs, as much as I love the creative process of editing my own vlogs, I just struggle with there being nothing behind it besides entertainment. And I don't want to be here for your entertainment. I was not put on this earth to entertain nobody but myself and apparently my dog. And I think a lot of the ideas that I have been, I want to keep the concept or the format of vlogs, but I would like for there to be something underneath that, like a theme or a topic that is not only beneficial to my own healing, but helps inspire others. So kind of taking the topics of my journal entries, but presenting them in an aesthetic, a creative way, but also making them vlog style. That's a whole lot, I know, but I have a vision. And it's not so much of me trying to figure out if that's going to be of interest to my viewers, but more so what topics. Like, I'm going to do it regardless. I feel like I've pretty much set the stage for the fact that this is my platform, that my YouTube and all of my social medias are my creative release and my outlet for my creativity, which is really important to me. And I cannot let other people dictate what and how. But because I'm taking an approach, which I'll get to in a second, that I do want it to affect other people in a positive way, I need your feedback at this point. So I'm on my hands and knees and I'm begging, baby, please. I would love to know, number one, how you guys feel about this change and what topics and what things are you interested in. I don't really know because it's so broad. But if I had to add any type of disclaimer, no, I'm not. Erase, edit that part out. But ultimately what it's coming down to is the phase in my life that I'm in and some of the things that I'm experiencing and that I'm learning and unlearning and going through personally. I feel like it is my purpose to kind of help and guide people in this way. And how do I explain this? If I'm going to heal and help the world in any way, the only way that I know in this present moment to do that is to show up as my authentic self and share my story. And by story, I don't have no like crazy background or crazy stories to tell, but just by shining light on my life and the things that I'm learning and how I'm navigating through learning these things and unlearning these things and rediscovering myself. That's the only way that I know, because I know that that is something that a lot of people are trying to do, need to do, have not yet done, don't know how to do. And there's purpose there. There's substance there. And then because I like to tell a story in a creative, beautiful way, I can make a cup of tea and baby, make it creative and make it beautiful. So I'm sure that I can make this thing of substance and make healing and make understanding beautiful and aesthetic and creative and digestible for people that may not fully understand. So that was a little deeper than I was planning on going, but it flowed. So really, I'm asking, what am I asking? Oh no, come on, brain, think of things. Come on, brain, you can do it. So, okay, I got you. Believe it or not, I will be 30 this year. I know, y'all. Ugh, I know. But I am turning 30 this year. And in my 30th year, I am learning how to be myself. What the fuck? Like, excuse me? What? That doesn't even make sense. That makes zero sense. What do you mean you're learning how to be yourself after 30 years? Exactly. That's what we need to talk about. And I just want to explore the various things that I'm learning and explore the various ways that I'm learning them and how I am maneuvering through this new old me. And I want to share it. And I don't know. I'm nervous, y'all. I'm nervous. I feel like I was trying to play it safe with the visual diary and the journal entries without actually like diving into it. But I really feel like the only way to do it and for it to be meaningful to other people is to dive into it. Uh-oh, somebody's awake. Uh-oh, I'm in trouble. He's either going to come over here or he's going to lay back down. But yeah, so this is something that's really important to me. And I know that I've been on here talking about hair for all these years, and the majority of my following has been for that reason. But I really feel like a lot of my following has been me. Like, it has been people that enjoy watching me. And I don't want you to watch me for entertainment. I've always said if I'm going to influence anybody to do anything, I would like to influence them to heal or be a better them or be confident being them or just love themselves. Like, that's what I want to influence you guys to do. So not to say I'm never going to work with brands or promote products or anything like that, but I just don't want that to be my focus. I don't want that to be what I'm known for. I don't want to buy a Prada bag and then somebody at home wishing they could get a Prada bag and they can't. Who fucking cares? Nobody cares. Enjoy your bag. You care. Enjoy it. It's a beautiful bag. But that don't do nothing for me. So that's where I'm at. that's what I'm chewing on. So I am soliciting openly your feedback. So the next few videos, my most recent videos, please spam my comments, not for engagement, but to make this more useful and more meaningful. It's going to be very important that I get you guys' feedback, because I'm going to be trying different things. I'm going to be switching up my styles of like filming and editing and all of these things, because I'm really exploring and expressing myself, but through my creativity. And I appreciate the people that stay. I also appreciate the people that's like, she ain't talking about her hair no more. I'm out. You gotta go. That's fine. I'm not gonna judge you for that. But if you stick around and you enjoy it, and especially if it's helpful for you, I appreciate that with my whole heart. As always, thank you so much for taking the time to sit through it with me. And don't forget to check in and subscribe with yourself before you subscribe to me or anybody else. But if you're good, then you can subscribe to my channel as well. See you next time.